In this episode, we will talk about how to set up and manage a family, specifically using the axial fan we created earlier. Start by clicking on Family Category and Parameters. A window will appear, which contains two sections: Family Category and Family Parameters. Under Family Category, you will find a list of available family types in Revit, such as air terminals, duct accessories, or duct fittings. Since this is an axial fan, we will choose mechanical equipment. In the Family Parameters section, you can assign a classification. For instance, if you were creating a pump family, you could set it as a pump. In this case, we'll leave it as none and click OK. Once done, the Properties panel will update to show the family category as mechanical equipment. Next, go to the Create tab and look for the Connector section. Revit provides 5 types of connectors of electrical, duct, pipe, cable tray, and conduit. For our axial fan, we will use the duct connector. To place the connectors, hover over the model and select the outside faces on both sides of the fan. After placing them, select each connector individually to adjust its properties. Set the shape to round and the diameter to 700. Finally, we will save this family. You can name the family according to your company's naming conventions or any naming style that suits your workflow. Just make sure it's clear and easy to understand so it doesn't interfere with your productivity.